Okay. I'm super excited. Today is 22. Hey guys, what's up and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited. Today is 22 of December. Okay guys, so actually I'm at home. I've done a lot of things that you guys know. I always do my thing, my routine, and now I'm here just chilling and watching my movie like always. I love to relax my hair, wind and unwind myself for a better day. So actually now it's afternoon. I think this is after 2. But alright guys, so I am actually filming now because I have a lot of things I want to do. Firstly, there is a well bill I'm going to pick up. There's a pickup I have to make, but I will just carry you guys along. Feel free to like, comment and share my videos. I love you guys. Mwah. I got a little bit of manual if you like it. Look, so where's your luggage? In the car. And actually, I'll see you downstairs for the family game night, okay?
One hour later.
So they got rush. They got things to podcast. So. Hello, what's up guys? I am back from getting the way bill, so I got the stuffs and I'm back right now in the house and I'm actually relaxing. I don't know if I can be able to carry out the activities I have planned for today, but by the grace of God I'm actually going to carry them out, nevertheless. So right now I'm trying to tell you guys that I'm back. I actually went to an eatery. I went to go and cool off with some cool ice cream. So I'm back now guys.